Hi, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, on my channel you can learn what's called 사자성어. I have an introduction video where I explain what it is, so check out this video first to get the hang of it. All the videos on my YouTube are based on the content on my Instagram, so if you're interested to know what you're going to see on my YouTube, follow me on Instagram. With that out of the way, let's get into the lesson. The phrase we are going to learn in this video is 동문서답. We are looking at 4 different characters. 동 means the east. 문 means to ask. 서 means the west. 답 means to answer. The phrase is as simple as it appears. The question points to the east, yet the answer has towards the west. They are in the opposite direction, which means the answer doesn't match the question. This phrase 동문서답 is used in some particular situations. It shouldn't be difficult to tell if it's the right situation to use it. Imagine you ask one of your friends something and he answers your question. But his answer has nothing to do with the question you asked. Maybe he misinterpreted your question. Or another possibility is that he's changing the subject on purpose for some reason. Either way, you didn't get the answer that you expected in the first place. Every now and then, we all come across this kind of situation in life. That's when you use this phrase. Since 동문서답 refers to the act of presenting an answer irrelevant to the question, it's regarded as a noun or a verb followed by 하다. Here is an example. 점심 어디서 먹을까? 급하게 나오느라 우산을 집에 놓고 왔어. 웬 동문서답이야? And here's another example. 제가 동문서답을 했네요. 다시 질문해 주실래요? 괜찮습니다. 인터뷰를 계속할게요. If you need more examples to help you better understand it, comment below. I'll give you more. And if you have any questions about the phrase or Korean language, let me know in the comment as well. If you find today's lesson helpful, give a like on this video. And if you want to learn more phrases, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.